What's up guys, welcome to Test Crypto, the home of cryptocurrency and interweb technology. So basically on this channel we discuss about cryptocurrency adoption like Bitcoin, altcoins and any other investment opportunity. And in today's video we are going to be talking about zkME. Okay, so zkME is a new project which is still on the testnet phase. So what exactly is zkME? So if you come over here, it says that zkME is a decentralized web3 credential network that leverages the power of zero knowledge proofs to enable secure and private credential insurance and verification. Okay, so I think what this project is trying to bring to crypto space is basically digital identities. Okay, digital identity where there is free of censorship, like there is no censorship, is completely decentralized. So in my opinion, I think this is a project with high potential. Okay, so and currently they are still in their testnet phase, just like I said earlier on, so which is why I'm bringing this video to you so that you can participate in their testnet phase. You never can tell, there's tendency of airdrop in the future. Okay, so we are going to position ourselves how we are going to qualify for this airdrop. zkME is a project that was deployed on Zeta chain. And if you don't know about Zeta chain, remember we talked about Zeta chain on this platform where I told you how you can position yourself to qualify for their airdrop should in case if there's airdrop in the future. And as you can see from here, these are the points I was able to gather from zk and from Zeta chain, I mean to say. And currently Zeta chain, they are done with their testnet. They are done with their testnet phase. If you have not participated in Zeta chain airdrop, I think the best thing right now to do is you can only invite. And right here I was able to invite only one person. Okay, so zkME is a project that was deployed on Zeta chain smart contract, as you can see here. So over here it says welcome to Zeta lab, so explore Zeta chain testnet dApps. Okay, so all the dApps here are the different projects that is being deployed on Zeta chain blockchain. Okay, so so among all these projects, I think the ones with high potential I've seen so far is this Byte City and zkME. I think AD Finance also has some potential, but for the simplicity of this video, we are just going to be diving into zkME for now. Okay, so in future videos I might be talking about AD Finance, which is why you need to subscribe to this channel if you have not, and then click the bell notification so that whenever I upload quality contents like this, you can easily be notified and then you can come and take the advantage. So having said that, let's dive into how we are going to potentially position ourselves for zkME airdrop. Okay, so what you need to do is just come over to Zeta chain, just come over to Zeta chain official website. It says here lab.zetachain.com. okay, I'll be providing the links in my description. So once you come over to Zeta chain lab, just come down, scroll down to zkME, then click on this link here. Just click on it. It's going to take us to zkME official website. Okay, so once it load, this is the website. Very perfect and awesome. I think I like the website interface. So next thing, just come over to this launch app. Just click on launch app, and then the things needed for you to for us to successfully participate for this testnet phase, we need our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so make sure you have your MetaMask perfectly installed and set up, and make sure you have the Ethereum goerli testnet tokens, okay, that you can use to interact with the platform. You know, in this platform I've told you guys several times how you can acquire those tokens, how you can acquire those free tokens. Okay, so once you get to the official website, just come over to the top right corner that says connect your wallet. Okay, just click on connect your wallet, then click on MetaMask. Here it says switch network. Okay, so if you are not on the right network, it's going to ask you to switch to the normal network that you are supposed to use and interact with this platform. Okay, so just click on switch if it asks you, and then you wait for it to switch. Okay, perfectly. As you can see here, my MetaMask has connected successfully. Okay, so once you get to this part, come down to this page. It says claim your ME ID. Okay, so just come over to you can go ahead, read all these things to understand it more. Okay, so but for the simplicity of this video, I'm just going to proceed straight away. Okay, so click on this start, and then here it says enter your digital identities. Read all these things. So over here it says zkME SSI email login. Okay, so input your email here, and then click on this continue. So once you input your email, click on continue. They will send you an email verification. Okay, so on that email there will be a link there. Just click on the link, and then we are going to verify your account, so you can now log in. Okay, so once you log in, you can now do other tasks. Okay, so I'm just going to skip all this video, verify my account, and then log in to continue. Okay, So once you click the link or your email, okay, it will bring you to this place. Okay, so wait for it to load. So okay, here it says you are logged into zkME. Okay, so you can close this window and go back to your original tab to continue. Okay, so we are just going to go back to our original tab. Okay, so this is our original tab. So I want to click on start. Just click on start. Okay, good. So it's going to bring you here. Okay, so it says verify your identity. Okay, so just come down to this. You can read all these things. Okay, so come down to this place. It says continue. Click on continue, and then I want to read all this and just follow this simple guide. Okay, I want to follow these procedures. So click on this this place that says by steering. Just click on it. Click on start verification. Okay, so this particular place is where you are going to do your verification. Okay, so it's going to direct you on what to do. So it's not that you can use your camera to scan this code, okay, and then it is going to show you something like opening Chrome, and then you're going to click on it on your mobile from your mobile phone, and then go to Chrome and do the verification. Or you copy this link. Okay, you copy this link, find a way to send it to your mobile phone, and then open the link and then verify your face, and that is all. Okay, so once you are done with that, this part is going to be verified. Then you can move on to the next task. Okay, so the next task is here. You come to this part. It says verify your real world identity. So this is, I think this is the part you are going to upload your ID verification, input your name, make sure your name tally with your ID verification. Okay, so once that pops up, click on continue, and then read all these things. Okay, so approve this thing, click on this part, and then start verification. The same procedure is going to bring out a code asking you to copy the link to new tab, or using your camera to scan this code, open it on Chrome, and then upload your ID verification. Okay, so once you do that and your ID is verified, I think you are going to mint your ID. Okay, that's the next phase. Once you do that and this part is verified, this button here that says start is going to change to mint. Okay, so you are going to mint your ID verification. You are going to mint your identity. That is your digital identity. Okay, so once you have minted the both, because after this one is done, you are going to mint it as well. Likewise this one. So once you mint both of them, so it's going to show you something like this. Okay, to show you something like share, and then on the identity side, it's going to show you the same thing, share or view on Explorer. Okay, so once you have done this part, you know that you have officially minted your ID. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to also mint this your ID on other testnet networks. Okay, on other chains, other smart chains. Okay, so just come over to this top right corner. Here it says, you see that the network I'm using right now is the Zeta chain testnet. Okay, so just click on it, and you are going to see other networks. Okay, so these are different other networks that are on testnet. You know, this platform, this project is still on testnet phase. Okay, so I just minted only on Zeta chain yet. Okay, so you are going to mint on other networks such as linear goerli testnet, Mantu testnet, Manta testnet, Scrolls Apolia testnet. Just we are going to be connecting all this network and be minting them, and I'm going to be showing all how you are going to be doing that on this video. For example, let's go with let's say the next one is going to be linear goerli. So I want to click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, your MetaMask is going to pop up so that you can switch from your current network to this linear goerli testnet network. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this switch network, and this Zeta chain testnet is automatically going to change to linear goerli testnet. Yeah, so you can see that we are now on linear goerli testnet. So once you change your network, this share here is going on your own side is going to show mint. Okay, so this share is showing here because I've already done all my testnet tasks. Okay, I've completed all of them. Mint. So you go ahead, just click on mint this part, and again, and the next thing is come back here again. So choose the next testnet Mantu. Okay, click on it. Your zero will pop up. Then switch the network, and then repeat the same task. You are just going to be repeating the same thing till you are done with all these testnet networks. So click on switch. Okay, so once that is achieved, once you are on Mantu testnet, this is going to show mint. Okay, so I'm just going to mint your profile on Mantu testnet. So once that is achieved, then you go to the next one. So you are going to be repeating this particular procedure for every testnet, for all the network here. Okay, so once you are done with Mantu, go to Manta, go to Scroll, go to Polygon, and then mint all your profile on these networks. And then once that is done, the next thing you need to do is come back to this place. Okay, so you know all these things, all these tasks we just performed here are all on testnet. Okay, so next thing is come over to this mainnet, click on mainnet, and currently we only have Polygon and Base. Okay, these are the only network that are available on the mainnet. Okay, so we are going to also switch to Polygon so that we can mint our profile, our identity on a Polygon network. That is the mainnet, not this time around, not the testnet. Okay, the mainnet. So just click on Polygon. Then you wait for your MetaMask to pop up so you can switch the network. Click on switch network, and then this is going to change to Polygon. Then after that, I think this share is going to change to mint. Okay, so you are going to click on mint, then you mint both of them. Okay, once that is done, then you come back here, then you switch to Base so that you can mint your profile on Base network as well. So you are going to switch your network to Base. This is going to change to Base. Then this is also going to highlight mint. Okay, so we are going to mint both of them, and then once that is done, I think that is all for now. Okay, so at this point in time, you have officially completed your testnet phase on zkME. Okay, so as you can see from here, it says that other network are not yet available. Okay, it says here coming soon. So I'm pretty sure in the future these are all going to be activated. Okay, so I will keep you guys posted once these are activated. And this is one of the major reasons why you should subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, because once these are activated, I will definitely update you guys right away.